Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram Academy. This is Kritika. This is the final session of level 8. Today we are going to learn advanced level of division. That is, we are going to divide a number which has decimal values, and also we are going to learn where to set it in abacus. It's very easy. Please watch till the end. Let's move to the class. Now we are going to learn advanced division, that is using decimal numbers. First problem, 14.4 divided by 1.6. Now we have to decide where to set the number in abacus. The dividend, which has two whole number, 2. Here in the divisor we have one whole number, minus 1. Again minus 1, this is the common rule to set the dividend in abacus. So the answer is 0. This is the place we are going to set it in abacus. This is 1, 0, this is minus 1. So here we are going to set the dividend 1, 4, 4. After deciding the number to where to set it in abacus, you can ignore the decimal sign. So 144 divided by 16 we can take. Okay. To get the quotient, divide 14 by the first digit of the divisor. 14 divided by 1, 10 times. So 10 times obviously we can't set it as a quotient. So we can take 16 into 9. 1 into 9, 0, 9. 6 into 9, 54. 144. Okay, we got the answer. From here, we have to jump 2 rods because the divisor is double digit. From here, jump 2 rods. We can set 9 as quotient. We can do minus 144. The answer is 9. Second one, 3.84 divided by 3.2. 1 digit, and also here we have one whole digit. 1 minus 1. Again minus 1, common rule. So the answer is minus 1. Here only we are going to set the dividend. This is the unit rod. 0. This is minus 1. So here only we are going to set 384. So now 384 divided by 32 we are going to try. We can divide 38 by 32 first. So obviously one time. From here, jump 2 rods because the divisors are 2 digit. From here, jump 2 rod, set 1 here, minus 32 here. Now we have 64. How many times of 32 is 64? 32 into 2 is 64 because 3 into 2, 0, 6, 2 into 2, 0, 4, 64 we have. So from here, jump 2 rods. From here, 1, 2. We have to set the quotient here, 2. Answer is 1.2. Third one, 335.4 divided by 43. Here we have 3 whole numbers. Here 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. Again minus 1. That is 0. This is the unit rod. So 1, this is 0. Here we are going to set the dividend. 3354. Now we can't take the first dividend as 33 because the divisor is 43. So first dividend is 335. Divide 33 by the first digit of the divisor, that is 4. 33 by divided by 4 is 8. Nearing answer is 8. So we should try 43 into 8. So the answer is 4 8s are 32. 3 8s are 24. 344 also we can't do. So we should try for 7 times. 7 times is 4 7s are 28. 3 7s are 21. So 21. 301 is the nearest answer. From here, we have to jump 2 rods. Set the quotient here. 7 times is 301. So we have to do minus 3, 0, minus 1. So the next dividend is 344. Divide 34 by 4 first. We'll be getting 8 times. So we can do this one. Answer 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24, 344. We got the answer. From here, jump 2 rods. We can set the quotient here 8 times. So the answer is 7.8. Fourth problem. 96.48 divided by 72. Again, two whole numbers in the dividend 2 minus, again 2 digit. 2 minus 2, 0, again minus 1. So minus 1 is the position. We are going to set the dividend. This is the 0, this is minus 1. So 9648 divided by 72. So we can take the first dividend as 96. 96 divided by 72. Obviously one time. From here, jump 2 rods and set 1 here. 1 time 72. We can do minus 72. Now we have the next dividend as 244. Divide 24 by 7. We'll be getting 3 times. 3 times the answer is 3 7s are 21. 3 2s are 0 6. 216. From here, jump 2 rods. We can set 3 here. 3 times minus 2 1 6. Now the next dividend is 288. Divide 28 by 7. We'll be getting 4 times. So we can try 72 into 4. So the answer is 7 4s are 28. 2 4s are 08. We got the answer. From here, jump 2 rods. Set the quotient as 4 here. Answer is 1.34. Final sum. 101.85 divided by 6.79. 3 digit minus single. So we got 2. Again 2 minus 1. So first rod we are going to set the number in first rod. This is the first rod. So 10185 divided by 679. Now we have to think which number should be taken first, the first dividend. So 1018 we will take. So we can divide 10 by 6 first, only one time. So what we did, 10185 divided by 679. We have taken the first 4 digit as the dividend. So we should divide 10 by 6 to get the quotient easily. So we got one time. So 679 into 1 we did. From here, jump 1, 2, 3 rods because the divisor is triple digit. Set 1 here. We have to do minus 0679. Minus 679. Next dividend is 3395. Divide 33 by the first digit of the divisor, that is 6. 33 by 6 is 5. So 5 into 679. The answer is 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 9 5s are 45. Answer is 3395. 3395. So 5 times 5 is the quotient. From here, jump 3 rods. Set 5 here. Minus 3395. The answer is 15. Hope you have understood well. You should be very careful in counting the number of whole numbers, and according to it, you should place it in abacus. It will be very easy if you do like that. Please keep trying with various numbers. Thanks for watching.